This is a 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. In wonderful condition. Like all of our vehicles, will need nothing cosmetically or mechanically. Tow package has a backup camera, navigation, aftermarket camera, aftermarket radio, running boards, power rear window, bed liner, two-wheel drive, aftermarket fog lamps, gray cloth seats are in great condition, power windows, locks and mirrors. Sorry about the sun glare there, I'm trying to shadow it from you. $124,000 miles. Aftermarket radio, backup camera, everything works on the vehicle. Once again, sorry about the sun glare. Doing my best. Center console, no rips or stains. Really is in very good condition. Perfect first vehicle. So, a 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, 124,000 miles, in wonderful condition, needs nothing.